Two penises start to protrude. This slug is looking for a partner. An ash-black slug. These are the largest land slugs in the world. They are almost exclusively found in ancient wet woods. It lays down a trail of slime, which carries powerful chemical signals. The scent is an irresistible invitation to another ash-black slug. Once the pair reach the treetops, they become more intimate. They nuzzle to make sure that they're suitably matched. Slugs are hermaphrodites, each equipped with both male and female sexual organs. Preliminaries complete, an overhanging branch provides a hold for the consummation. Twisting together, they hang down as one. Two penises start to protrude. Entwining together, each becomes as long as the rest of its owner's body. Each slug now passes a packet of sperm to the other. But the end of the relationship is abrupt. The leftover slime is the only evidence that the encounter ever happened.